Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to show you how to display view count with the Crocoblock and without adding any PHP custom code. Okay, so let me show you what you can do here. So this is just a post on the front end. So I'm using incognito window here. All right. So I got some post. This could be just custom post for you. And here, front end account page using profile builder. And as you can see, I logged in. This is my account page, and I can see all the posts, and I can control everything. I can edit, I can delete posts. And I have this views count here. So, 2, 3, sorry, 2, 1, 2 here. All right, so now this 10 essential tech tool nonprofit need. So let's go to this. So this is the post, right? So now, as you can see, it's viewed 2 times. But this is an incognito window, and then go to read. All right. So now, if I refresh this page, should change to 3. All right. So let me show you how you can do this. This is really easy to do with JetEngine. So of course, you need JetEngine plugin, and here, so you need to turn on data store module. Okay. So and then you can see this new data stores tab here, and you're gonna add a new store, but I already done it. So let me show you how what I did. So name, I just use views count, and this is the slug, okay? And then start time cookies. I think you can do sessions as well, but I chose cookies here. All right. And then count items. This is on, and the store item on views. It's on. Okay. Now I'm using this is the custom post type CPT. You can add it to. Okay, so I just have guest post here. So this is just custom post type. Okay, and then you just hit save. And then so this part is just the listing template. So let's go back here, and then I'll show you what I did. So go to listing here under JetEngine. Let's click that. And this is the one guest post items for my account dashboard page. And I'm going to open up with Elementor. All right, so here, so this is just title and the dynamic image, and this is dynamic field. And then here is, I use just icon box. So you can use anything, you can use like a heading too, but I use just icons because I can use this icon, eye icon on here. So let's take a quick look here. Now, here is just the view is default. Yeah, maybe I can just delete here. Now, this is just showing that, this is the heading. Now, here you can see this dynamic tag. And then you can see this data store post count. Okay. So then you select this view count. Okay. So now remember that's the first time. So go to data source, and then I created view counts, right? So that's why it's here. Okay. And then now you can see it's number 3 already. Okay. And then go to advanced, and then I'm going to just put the view counts, and then put the bracket here like this. Yeah. And then go ahead and hit the update. All right, so let's go to account page. I'm gonna just refresh this page. Okay, something like this. And then let's go to our publics page. All right, so this is again, so this is incognito window. Let's click this Sean's post here. Okay, so somebody open up, and as you see, the Sean's post is count 0. So this should change to 1. Here we go. All right. Yeah, so I think this is pretty cool. Yes, I hope this helps, and see you next time.